Ay, pasensya.
Pasensya na din.
Pwede ba bang tanong?
Sige, ano yun?
Saan ba ang section ng pilot?
Kaklase pala kita. Tara, sabay na tayo.
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was forget.
Ako nga pala ni Stephanie Santos. Nag-transfer ako dito sa Bundok Pinisuan at lahat ko ba niya ang then my hobbies are really good. Kasi ito yung aking comfort. Nerd!
Sir, ang ganda pala ng boses mo. Nakaka-inlove naman.
Salamat.
Pwede mo ba akong kanta ng Terrified?
Pwede naman. Favorite song ko ba to? Siguro in love ka. Gusto mo ba eh? Let me be the one to break it up. Not to make excuses. We just need to find the setup where someone wins it, someone loses. We just have to say I love you too, but it's never
Ew, yan na ba yung lalaban nyo? Ang pangit naman.
Legit, pinasa din ako dito. Bakit? Maganda ba boses mo? Parinig na kami.
Alexa, kumanta ka din dito sa unan.
I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should my maze, my moving you look in my eyes. 'Cause I know I would have to feel the way
Tingnan mo kung makakalain ka. Magmaganda pa naman boses sa'yo ni Stephanie.
Ako naman ang konsolusyon. Iyang regalo sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad.
I should be the one. I wouldn't have to be the one. Kind of love you really need. This life is fading to you. And I always do.
I want you to know that I like you.